I looked into alternative hearing devices, only to see how expensive they were. But then I found the amazing Aria from Soundtastic. First and foremost, it's absolutely incredible. Aria is made of the same advanced technology used in other hearing devices. The difference is Soundtastic is actually affordable. I almost cried when I saw the price. Really, I did. Not to mention that Aria is Bluetooth enabled, making it very easy to use. It has 12 layers of noise reduction, helping me improve and focus my hearing. There are even 4 situational memories to let Aria automatically adapt to listening environments. Oh, if I need to make any changes to the sound, I can just control on the Soundtastic app. With just the touch of a button, the device adapts to my environment and, well, I can hear again. It's extremely convenient and affordable, plus it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a free 1-year warranty. I never thought I'd find the answer to my hearing problems, but thanks to Soundtastic, I've got my life back. My hearing has improved immensely. If you're looking for a high-quality hearing device without the cost of a traditional hearing aid, then I highly recommend you try Soundtastic.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.